Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This is a UK based topic, but my viewers in other countries may still be interested in what's going on over here, so please do feel free to listen in. And what is going on is the annual RSPB Big Garden Bird Watch. It's one of the largest wildlife surveys in the world. It's a very important one because it monitors our garden bird population and allows us to spot trends and changes. This year it's taking place on the 24th to the 26th of January, and anybody can take part, and it takes roughly an hour and a half perhaps of your time. How do you take part? It's very easy. You just choose an hour between those two dates, the 24th to the 26th of January, and you monitor how many birds are landing in your garden or the bit of space that you're doing the bird watching, and then you report the findings to the RSPB. It's very important to do it correctly though. So firstly, you are only monitoring how many birds actually land in your garden, not ones you see flying past or anything like that. Secondly, you report the most number of birds at any one time. And this is where it gets a bit tricky and some people aren't sure. So let's take starlings as an example. So you start your watch, you sat with your cup of coffee and your pen and paper, and 2 starlings come and they land in the garden. So you count 2 starlings. And then 20 minutes later, 4 starlings come and land in the garden. You don't count that as 6 starlings. You're only counting the most number at any one time. So that's the important bit. So you count the 4 starlings. And within the rest of the hour that you have, unless you have more than 4 starlings come and land at any one time, say if you have another 2 starlings come, you don't count them on, you stick to counting the 4 because it's just the most at any one time. The other thing is, it's not a competition. I do see on bird forums across the internet people boasting about how they've had 16 of this and 17 of that and 12 of that. It's not a competition for who can have the most birds. It really doesn't matter. And reporting that you have seen no birds or just a few birds is equally as important and valuable as reporting that you've had many birds. Accuracy is the key, because if we don't do it properly, then it makes the whole survey a bit pointless, doesn't it? So it's not a vanity project. Report what you see accurately. Then, after you have done your hours recording, all you do is go online to the RSPB website and report your findings. And you can also do that by post, I believe. The details will be on the RSPB website. And here you can see some of the results from the 2024 Birdwatch. House sparrows remain at the top. They're always number 1, although as it explains, that doesn't mean house sparrows are thriving, because their numbers are still down considerably from what they used to be. It usually takes the RSPB a couple of months to crunch all the numbers and look for trends, and then they report the findings back to us all, and we can see how our garden birds are doing, who's thriving, who's only just surviving, and it helps us know who needs perhaps a little bit more help. You can request a free guide from the RSPB. You can pop onto the website and do that if you need it. But you don't need to do that. If you know what you're doing and you're happy, just get a pen, a piece of paper, perhaps your binoculars if you need them, and a nice cuppa, because it isn't very warm at the moment, is it? So a nice warm coffee or hot chocolate will just see you through. And finally, will you be doing the Big Garden Bird Watch? Let me know in the comments below. Have you done it in previous years? And if so, have you noticed any trends in your garden? Also, if you have any questions or you're unsure about anything, please do just shout out in the comments and I will try to help. And with all that said, I will end the video here and say thank you for watching and bye for now.